Do you want to visualize the most frequent terms in your text in an attractive and a fast way? With the word cloud extension from Data Sketch, you can do it in just a few clicks. Start by uploading your text or a frequency table. You can copy and paste your text directly, upload a file from your computer, or choose one from your organization's library. Once your text is loaded, personalize your word cloud. Adjust the color palette to match your visual identity. Select the language to improve word recognition and group terms correctly. Stop words and functional words that give structure to sentence but don't add much meaning to the text. Common examples include the, of, and, or for. The system will automatically remove them, but you can also customize the list and choose which word to omit based on your analysis goals. In just seconds, you will get a word cloud that highlights the most used terms. The larger the word, the more frequently it appears in your text. Once you are happy with your design, save it, export it in different formats, or share it directly to your personal library or with your team. Use the word cloud extension to simplify text analysis and visualize your data in seconds.